at you with another look. So I did a fall inspired tutorial. The colors that I came up with was kind of similar to the shirt that I have on. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want to see how I beat the hell out of my face, then stay tuned. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off with the Plouise base in Rumour 3. And I'm going to go ahead and put this all over my lid to make a clean canvas to work on. Alright, so I'm going to start off with the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. And the shade is Next. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into my crease. And then I'll go back and blend it out. Alright, so in the same palette, I'm going to go into the shade HOMEBODY. And I'm going to go ahead and use this fluffy brush and blend it out and bring it towards my brow bone. Alright, so now I'm going to take the Morphe Dare to Create, and the shade is Slice. And I'm going to go ahead and put this into my crease to darken it up. Alright, so like I say in all my videos, you want to make sure as you're blending that you go back and put down the shades that you put down the first time. That way as you're going, you're not losing anything. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the Plouise Acid Range, and the shade is Blank Canvas. And I'm going to go ahead and use this to create my cut crease. Alright, so now that I got my crease how I want it, I'm going to go back into that shade Slice, and I'm going to put this on the outer corner and blend it inwards. Alright, so I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill, and the shade is Crazy, and I'm going to go ahead and put this right beside the dark brown. And it's like a burgundy shade. And we're going to blend these two shades together once I put it down. Alright, so now we're going to go into HOMEBODY, and we're going to go ahead and just put this right beside the shade Crazy and blend them together afterwards. Alright, so I'm going to go into the Morphe 3503, and the shade is Trance, and I'm going to just put this in the beginning of my, the inner part of my crease, the inner part of my crease, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it into like that orangish color. So I do want a little sparkle at the beginning of my crease. So I'm gonna just put this in my inner corner and then blend it outwards. So for the wing, I'm just using the, the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back. Alright, so this is the final